My Civic, I'm dipping in my Civic, my Civic, I'm bouncing in my Civic, I'm riding in my Civic, I got the free gas.
Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy LS Silverado, and we have just got back from AutoZone. AutoZone said I got one good battery and one bad battery. I'm gonna just put this back in the C10 for now until I get ready to buy a battery. It's like regular battery, like $70, $85. Know what I'm saying? Put one in there and be good with it. This one good is going back into Caprice. So yeah. So that kind of brings me to my next little topic. What are y'all using for a battery? You know what I'm saying? Are you using Optima? Are you using Walmart? Are you using O'Reilly's? Are you using AutoZone batteries? Are you using advanced auto batteries? Let me know what you're using down in the comments below so that I can make the best informed decision for this LS swap. So drop down below, let me know what battery you running in your LS swap, or was in your LS powered vehicle, or just in general. For the C10, I'm probably not gonna run a system, so I'm probably not gonna even worry about an Optima for real. So it just can be a regular battery. So it's your boy LS Silverado 254 signing off. Remember, identify your weaknesses and make them your strengths. Gone.